What is good, people? Welcome to the Motor Machines channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna be doing the most requested video I get asked for on this new setup of mine, and that's what's the top speed. It's not my favourite test, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought I'd oblige because any excuse to have a ride. I thought I can kill two birds with one stone. I'll do this test and then I'm just gonna go and have a little ride around. But anyway, if you're unfamiliar with my Talaria Sting, I've got the BAC 8000 with a bypassed battery, and I'm running the 44 tooth rear sprocket. The BAC's set up for 8000 watts, so it's a bit of an increase over the stock one. I definitely notice it. I can't remember what the stock wattage is of this bike now. 6.5 was it? I think so, so that's 1500 more watts. Probably wrong now, I can't quite remember. It's not my thing to remember, I just like to ride, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Got the GPS set up on my phone here. Already the maximum speed is saying 21 miles per hour. But hopefully I'm going to get faster than that. So no one can say, oh, you've already got a different top speed on there. Next question I have then is for you lot. What do you think the top speed is going to be? The claimed top speed is 56 miles per hour. Now all I want to do is see if that's accurate or not. Let's get ready then. Here we are then, we're just about to hit the straight. I think I got a bit of headwind, I'm not sure. It's 55. Let's try it the other way. I'm going to be able to tell if there was any headwind. Maybe the wind's from the side. Definitely got some wind on me. Alright, let's turn around quickly. Let's try it again. I think he's got a wasp in his car. As you can clearly tell, I obviously didn't do that top speed run test along the top because, well, I saw like a ranger. Decided to give it a pass and come to this different location for one last attempt. So 55, that isn't bad, that isn't bad. Then let's give it a bit of beans, last test. Tuck up. Didn't see that elusive 56, that's for sure. 55 is the top speed then, and I'm not exactly a heavy rider. I'm 75 kilograms, just under 12 stone, which I think in pounds that's probably around 160, 170 pounds ish. I'm quite happy with that then. Like I said, 55 miles per hour isn't bad on a bike like this, built from mountain bike parts. I'm just waiting for like the holy grail, the 72 volt batteries to start coming out. And then I've got the controller to handle that power. Such an easy upgrade. I just put the GLE screen back on. I like looking at it, it makes me feel a bit clever, it's quite techy. But once I've got my egg rider that will replace this, once I got my settings up, then I lock it and save it, etc. And you got the egg rider display. About the top speed, yeah, I do want to get a larger sprocket. I'm not sure what size I'm going to go for yet. Maybe a 48. Maybe I use one of the sur-ron old stock ones that I've got kicking around. But it kind of feels, I think this sprocket, having that large sprocket on there, won't be doing it any favours. It'll be like labouring the motor. Like they say on the sur-ron, the 48 tooth is more strain on the motor than running the 56 tooth, for example. And obviously the same will be happening to this bike, I would have thought. It's all about finding that happy medium with that sprocket to suit your needs and try and get the bike at its optimum for those needs. But I do kind of feel like the motor's labouring a bit. It was hanging out a little bit towards the top then, like it, don't know, what do I know? I just got a feeling there, so I wanted to mention it. How about you let me know what you think in the comments, and then I take all the advice on board and then make my own decision. I don't overlook any of the comments. I do take on board and take note. Some of them I just know aren't quite for me or what I want. But yeah, I really appreciate it when people put a comment at the end of the video. I like interacting with people. Now then, all that's left for me to do is thank you, especially as you got this far. Hope you enjoyed. Moto Machines out. There's some right rare looking flowers here. What the hell's that all about? And look at them. I mean, this looks like a lettuce to me. Not that I would eat it. Look at that. Pretty little things. No one come and chase me. I'm either looking at your, don't know what you'd call this, a wild garden or what. Look at these strange things. Lots of them. Looks like an alien head. What a random bunch of things in the middle of a field. They all smell funny as well. I'd be interested to know what some of these are. If someone's got an idea what you'd call these. They look like weeds to me. Can't quite see if anyone's around, but what the hell's this? Can't see anyone. Oh, whoa, that's soft mud nearly off then. Does that look wet? I hope not. It's clayey. Somebody's digging a pond.